Alright, this is James. Welcome back to my channel. It's March 10th, 11:18 a.m. We're going to do the walk around video of this 997S. Beautiful car. Does have PPF on the front, but there are some rock chips, as you can see. Inside. The seats, I'll show you the back from the driver's side. Door. Driver's side, the pollen is starting to fall here, so the car is starting to get covered in pollen. Here's the back seats. The front. And I'll do the engine, what you can see of it. 997s aren't as bad as the 991s. You can see a lot more. All right, that concludes my video. Have a great day.